Hello, bachcho. Let us read the question. Scientists are working hard to develop nuclear fusion reactor. Nuclei of heavy hydrogen 1H2, known as deuteron, and denoted by D, can be thought of as candidate for fusion reactor. The DD reaction 1H2 plus 1H2 giving 2He3 plus neutron plus energy. In the core of fusion reactor, a gas of heavy hydrogen is fully ionized into deuteron nuclei and electrons. This collection of 1H2 nuclei and electrons is known as plasma. The nuclei move randomly in the reactor core and occasionally come close enough for nuclear fusion to take place. Usually the temperature in the reactor core are too high and no material wall can be used to confine the plasma. Special techniques are used which confine the plasma for a time t naught before the particles fly away from the core. If n is the density, number per volume, of deuterons, the product n t naught is called Lawson number. In one of the criteria, a reactor is termed successful if Lawson number is greater than 5 into 10 to the power 14 second per centimeter cube. It may be helpful to use the following. Boltzmann constant K is equal to 8.6 into 10 power minus 5 electron volt per Kelvin. E squared by 4 pi epsilon naught electron volt meter is equal to 1.44 into 10 power minus 9 electron volt meter. Assume that two deuteron nuclei in the core of fusion reactor at temperature T are moving towards each other, each with kinetic energy 1.5 kT, when the separation between them is large enough to neglect Coulomb potential energy. Also neglect any interaction from other particles in the core. The minimum temperature T required for them to reach a separation of 4 into 10 to the power minus 15 meter in the range T is lesser than T is greater than 1 to 10 power 9 Kelvin but lesser than 2 into 10 power 9 Kelvin, option A. Option B, T is less than 2 into 10 power 9 Kelvin, T is greater than 2 into 10 power 9 Kelvin but lesser than 3 into 10 power 9 Kelvin. Option C, T is greater than 3 into 10 power 9 Kelvin but less than 4 into 10 power 9 Kelvin. Option D, T is greater than 4 into 10 power 9 Kelvin but less than 5 into 10 power 9 Kelvin. तो इस क्वेश्चन का की कॉन्सेप्ट है कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मैकेनिकल एनर्जी. तो मैकेनिकल एनर्जी का कंजर्वेशन हमें कहता है कि अगर किसी ऑब्जेक्ट या पार्टिकल का इनिशियल पोटेंशियल एनर्जी हो और उसका इनिशियल काइनेटिक एनर्जी हो, then the sum of the initial potential and kinetic energy should be equal to the object's final potential energy plus final kinetic energy, sum of the final potential and kinetic energy. तो इस क्वेश्चन में ये पूछ रहे कि कितना मिनिमम टेम्परेचर चाहिए कि दो ड्यूटेरॉन न्यूक्लियाई एक दूसरे से 4 इंटू 10 पावर माइनस 15 के डिस्टेंस पे हो. तो इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए पहले जो डिटेल्स क्वेश्चन में दिए हैं हम उसको नोट करेंगे. सो व्हाट इज गिवन? बोल्ट्जमैन कांस्टेंट का वैल्यू दिए है k इज इक्वल टू 8.6 इंटू 10 टू द पावर माइनस 5 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट पर केल्विन और ई स्क्वेर्ड बाय 4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट का वैल्यू दिए है एज 1.44 into 10 to the power minus 9 electron volt meter. Separation distance दिए है as 4 into 10 to the power minus 15 meters और initial kinetic energy दो ड्यूटेरॉन के वो दिए है as 1.5 k into t. तो using the conservation of energy, So we can write Ke initial of the two deuteron nuclei plus Pe initial is equal to Ke final plus Pe final. क्योंकि लार्ज सेपरेशन डिस्टेंस में उनका कुलम्ब इंटरेक्शन नेग्लिजिबल है तो ये ज़ीरो होगा, और जब वो डिस्टेंस ऑफ 4 × 10⁻⁻15 मीटर पे आएंगे तो वो उनका काइनेटिक एनर्जी ज़ीरो होगा और उनका कूलम्ब इंटरेक्शन स्टार्ट होगा. So we can now write इनका initial kinetic energy should be equal to the final potential energy. अब क्योंकि दो ड्यूटेरॉन न्यूक्लियाई इंटरेक्ट कर रहे हैं, so this will be 2 × 1.5 × 8.6 × 10⁻⁻5, क्योंकि that is the value of K. into T. अभी ये T का वैल्यू हमें पता लगाना है. That is equal to E squared by 4πε0 D, which is the Coulomb interaction. तो E squared by 4πε0 उसका वैल्यू क्वेश्चन में दिए है, that is 1.44 into 10⁻⁻9, और D का वैल्यू है 4 × 10⁻⁻15 meters. So we can now calculate the value of T. So T is equal to 1.44 into 10⁻⁻9 divided by 4 × 10⁻⁻15 into 2 × 1.5 into 8.6 into 10⁻⁻5. तो इससे हमें T का वैल्यू आएगा 1.39 into 10⁻9 केल्विन. तो अभी हम क्वेश्चन पे जाके करेक्ट ऑप्शन को मार्क कर सकते हैं. तो आंसर हमें आया 1.39 into 10⁻9 केल्विन. तो उसका वैल्यू है between 1 and 2. So the correct answer for this question is the minimum temperature required for them to reach a separation of 4 × 10⁻⁻15 meters is in the range between 1 × 10⁻9 Kelvin and 2 × 10⁻9 Kelvin. So इसका सही option है option A. Hope you have understood it well. Best of luck.